Loading roll paper in the Canon imagePROGRAF PRO-6600 printer. We will start by going to the display of the printer. We will now select the number of the roller we want to place the new roll in. We will now select Roller 1. If you already have a media roll on this roller, you will click Replace Paper. You will be prompted with Remove the paper. Click Yes. Removing the roll holder. We will remove the roll by lifting up the top lid on the printer. With that lid open, we will now open the media cover. The easiest way to do this is to lift the roll of media by the end caps, as shown here. Loading roll paper on the roll holder. We will start by unlocking the end caps on the left and right sides. We will need to move the baby blue locking lever downward to the unlock position. Now repeat this on the opposite side. You will now be able to remove the end cap on the left-hand side, or the side that has the excess roll holder rod sticking out. Now remove the roll and replace it with the new type of media. Ensure the fixed end cap is still on your right-hand side. This will help you determine the way the media end faces, as shown here. Facing toward you and the fixed end cap on the right-hand side. Try to ensure the media is flush as it can be to the end cap. Now install the left end cap. Place your fingers on the metal tabs as you see here to move the left end cap back on the spindle. You will put this up against the left side of the media as flush as possible as well. We will now lock both the left and right end caps back into place. This causes our media core to stay in place as the roll holder turns in the printer. Now let's get ready to load the roll holder back into the printer. With the media tab facing you and the fixed end cap to your right, you will now load the roll holder all the way to the right in the printer. Align the roll holder shaft with the left and right guide grooves of the roll holder slots, and then load. Be careful not to pinch your fingers between the roll holder shaft and the guide grooves when loading the roll paper. We will now lower the roll holder cover. Now close the top cover of the printer. The paper will start to auto-feed. Select the paper type if it is different from the original roll. Select paper settings. Select media type of roll paper loaded in printer. Important, be sure to select the correct paper type. If this setting does not match the loaded paper, it may cause feed errors and affect printing quality. Just like that, you are done loading media in your Canon imagePROGRAF Pro 6600 printer.